Want to add APN settings on your Samsung phone? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to add APN settings on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. To do that, open Settings, tap Connections, then Mobile Networks, tap Access Point Names. Now tap Add from the top right corner. Fill in the required APN details provided by your SIM company. Suppose I'm going to set APN for a USA SIM card. Tap Name and type ATT and then tap OK. Then tap on APN type ATT and tap OK. After that, scroll down to the APN protocol. Select IPv4. Then tap three dots from the top right corner. Tap Save. Now select your recently added APN like ATT. That's it. This is how you can add APN manually on your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.